What's up, fam? This is Vic from Quick Cutz Premium Lawn Care here in Conyers, Georgia. Well, today I realized something. I haven't given a shout out to all my subscribers. That's right. Remember, I had a goal of getting at least 500 subscribers this season, and I already blew it up thanks to you guys out there. I really appreciate you subscribing. And if you hadn't already subscribed, please subscribe. Please subscribe to my channel, because you know why? You give me fuel to go out there. So I want to give a special shout outs though. I have some special shout outs I want to give out to. I want to give a special shout out to Keon down in Charleston, South Carolina. The name of his company is Fast Grass. Thanks, man, for your comments. I really appreciate it. Definitely helped me out on trying to develop my system. Also, I want to give a shout out to Upscale Lawn Care. Thanks, Johnny, for all the comments you leave, man. Really appreciate it. Also, to my boy over at Lawn Thumbs. Appreciate you for subscribing. And all the comments that you leave me definitely helps me out. And Grassology 4610, my man always dropping them jewels, man, in the comments section. Thanks, man. And how can I forget Acme Mowing and Lawn Care? Those guys, man, being always give me nice comments, encouraging words. And Wyatt, appreciate you, young buck. Appreciate you commenting on the page, man. Really appreciate it. You're gonna be doing big things very soon at a young age. Also, Handyman 2016, that guy fixed anything. Thanks for your comments. And also a special shout out to Low Country Grass Slinger. You know, I appreciate you, bro, for giving me my shout outs and subscribing. And my boy, man, I know him from way back in the day, from knee high to a grasshopper. Man, we used to tear the clubs up together. Now we're trying to live right. So special shout out to Marquette, the King. Man, appreciate you for all your comments and subscribing, man. So I did not forget you, Willie. Thanks, man. You're always commenting, always giving me the thumbs up. And last but not least, my man, Anthony Jarvis. Appreciate you, man, for all that you do with your comments and all the encouraging words. So if I didn't say your name, don't worry about it. I got a list. Just watch the list, man, and I appreciate it. Thanks for subscribing. And as always, cut on, lawn care family. Cut on. I'm cutting out. Watch the subscriber list. If you on there, I want to say thank you. Peace.